AI.
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 The biggest nightmare is the looming new industrial revolution.
The erosion of the middle class, already one of America's most serious problems, could get much worse with AI if we ignore it.
Isn't it fascinating to explore the cutting-edge world of artificial intelligence? From face swapping to generating content, AI is transforming the way we interact with technology. Amidst all these advancements, there is an intriguing question that lingers. Can AI fully replace humans in the workforce? Join us as we delve deep into the captivating world of collaborative intelligence, where humans and AI work together to create something extraordinary. Let's find out whether AI will ever completely replace human employees. Let's begin our exploration with the incredible tool known as Alpha CTR, which allows you to immerse yourself in various scenes, from elegant studios to iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower. Witness some amazing examples of how this AI-driven technology can bring your dreams to life. As AI advances, the question arises, can it replace human jobs? Let's delve into this topic and discover how AI can streamline business processes, generate test cases, and even spark new business ideas. However, can AI truly match the human touch when it comes to critical thinking and emotional intelligence? AI's influence goes beyond just business operations. Google, for instance, has embraced AI to revolutionize the way we search for information. What does this mean for businesses and content creators? How can we utilize AI to our advantage while maintaining authenticity and trust with our audience? Enter 11 Labs, an astonishing text-to-speech tool. This technology allows you to create an AI-generated version of your voice, making content creation easier than ever before. Experience the magic of 11 Labs in action and witness how it transforms the way we deliver information. AI's capability extends beyond text-to-speech. Perplexity AI offers detailed and sourced responses, making it a valuable tool for gathering information. Explore the advantages of this AI-driven approach and how it benefits content creators and researchers, like using it to explore the dangers of the keto diet. While AI possesses incredible potential, it cannot replace certain human qualities such as creativity and emotional connections. Collaborative intelligence, or AI3, is the key to maximizing AI's benefits while embracing human ingenuity. Let's discuss the future of work as we bridge the gap between humans and AI. AI's impact goes beyond content creation and business operations. It is transforming entire industries, from healthcare to finance and more. Delve into real-world examples of how AI is revolutionizing these sectors and improving people's lives globally. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, we must address the ethical implications. How do we ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI algorithms? Let's have an open discussion about the ethical considerations in AI development and deployment. The future holds immense possibilities as AI and humans collaborate further. How can we navigate this dynamic landscape? And what are the key strategies for successfully integrating AI into our personal and professional lives? As AI becomes more prevalent, upskilling becomes crucial for individuals to remain competitive in the job market. Discover the essential skills that professionals need to develop to thrive in the AI-driven era. Education is another domain profoundly impacted by AI. From personalized learning experiences to smart tutoring systems, AI is reshaping the way students learn and educators teach. Explore how AI is transforming the education landscape. AI has revolutionized education in several ways. Adaptive learning platforms use AI algorithms to analyze students' performance and provide personalized learning paths. AI-powered chatbots also assist teachers in answering common student queries, freeing up their time for more personalized interactions. Isn't that fascinating? It seems AI is enhancing both student engagement and teacher efficiency. If we look at the power of AI in the field of healthcare, it should be applauded. From early disease detection to precise medicine, AI is revolutionizing patient care and medical research. Explore some groundbreaking AI applications in the healthcare industry. AI is transforming healthcare in unprecedented ways. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of patient data to identify patterns and predict diseases with higher accuracy. This early detection enables timely interventions and better patient outcomes. Moreover, AI-powered robotic surgeries ensure higher precision and shorter recovery times for patients. It's incredible how AI is saving lives and improving healthcare outcomes. How do you envision AI's role in medical research? AI is a powerful tool for drug discovery and development. AI algorithms can analyze molecular structures and predict potential drug candidates, significantly accelerating the drug discovery process. Additionally, AI can help researchers analyze clinical trial data more efficiently, leading to faster approvals of life-saving medications. AI is proving to be a powerful ally in environmental conservation efforts. It aids in wildlife monitoring, climate modeling, and sustainable resource management. Join us as we uncover how AI is helping protect our planet. AI has become a game changer in environmental conservation. Satellite imagery and AI algorithms allow us to monitor wildlife populations and detect illegal activities, such as poaching and deforestation, in real time. AI-driven climate models help us understand and mitigate the impacts of climate change, guiding policymakers in making informed decisions for a sustainable future. That's inspiring for all of us. AI is contributing significantly to preserving our planet's biodiversity and natural resources. How can individuals contribute to environmental conservation efforts empowered by AI? Individuals can support AI-driven conservation initiatives by participating in citizen science projects, by collecting data and contributing to AI training datasets. Ordinary citizens can actively participate in conservation efforts. The cosmos is no stranger to AI's influence. From robotic exploitations to data analysis, AI plays a pivotal role in space missions. Take a journey beyond our planet and discover AI's contributions to space exploration. AI has revolutionized space exploration. Autonomous robotic explorers equipped with AI algorithms can navigate and make decisions in real time, enabling them to perform complex tasks independently. AI also aids in processing and analyzing vast amounts of data collected by space telescopes and probes, accelerating our understanding of the universe. It's astounding how AI is expanding our knowledge of the cosmos. How do you see AI's role evolving in future space missions? In the future, AI will be instrumental in supporting crewed missions to distant planets and celestial bodies. Furthermore, AI can optimize mission planning and ensure the safety of space missions by analyzing potential risks and providing real-time solutions. Can AI be creative? The answer might surprise you. AI-generated art, music, and literature have captured the imagination of audiences worldwide. Explore how AI is blurring the lines between human creativity and machine-generated art. AI has opened up new horizons for artistic expression. By training AI models on various artistic styles, we can witness the creation of unique artworks that blend human creativity and AI's algorithmic ingenuity. AI-generated music compositions have also gained popularity, sparking debates about whether AI can genuinely evoke emotions through music. AI-generated art has the potential to inspire and challenge our understanding of creativity. By exploring the boundaries between human and machine creativity, we can uncover new possibilities for the future of artistic expression. With the rise of AI, cybersecurity has become both a concern and a solution. AI-powered cybersecurity tools can detect and counter threats in real time. Let's delve into how AI is reshaping the landscape of digital security. AI has transformed the cybersecurity landscape by enhancing threat detection and response capabilities. AI-powered security systems can analyze network traffic and identify patterns indicative of potential threats, enabling organizations to proactively defend against cyber attacks. That's reassuring to know how AI is bolstering digital defenses. However, there are some potential challenges of relying on AI in cybersecurity. While AI is an invaluable asset in cybersecurity, it is not immune to adversarial attacks. Hackers can exploit vulnerabilities in AI models to deceive the system and bypass security measures. Continuous research and development are necessary to stay ahead of emerging threats and strengthen AI-based cybersecurity solutions. As we conclude our exploration of collaborative intelligence, the future of human-machine collaboration looks promising. AI's integration with human potential holds the key to transformative advancements in industries, education, and society. Emphasizing ethical and transparent AI systems empowers individuals, ensuring AI's responsible use. Collaborative intelligence offers solutions to global challenges like climate change and healthcare. Educating and involving diverse voices in AI development can foster inclusivity and equitable applications. Building trust through transparent algorithms enables us to embrace the full potential of AI without replacing humans. Let's continue shaping the future of collaborative intelligence, harnessing its boundless possibilities to create a brighter, inclusive world. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. And until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of AI. Stay curious, inspired, and collaborative.